Hare Krishna. So today we are here at a very special place. This is the Govardhan of Vrindavan. Actually, Govardhan is considered the mukut or the crown of Sri Vrindavan Dham. So this Vrindavan Dham is very special. Each and every place of Sri Vrindavan Dham is filled with many beautiful pastimes of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna. Srila Prabhupada in his Krishna book, he has mentioned all these beautiful pastimes which Sri Krishna has enacted in this Sri Vrindavan Dham. So in Vrindavan Dham, one of the very celebrated pastime of Sri Krishna is the Govardhan Leela. So it was a great occasion when all the Vrajvasis were preparing for Indra Puja, but Krishna said, no, instead of worshipping Indra, we can worship the cows, we can worship Giriraj Govardhan, we can worship the Brahmanas, and we can worship all the Vrajavasis. So in that way, Krishna did a very beautiful worship of Sri Giriraj Govardhan and the cows and the very beautiful devotees of the Lord. And after that, they did the first Govardhan Parikrama. And today we are also going to do Govardhan Parikrama, and while doing this Govardhan Parikrama, we will offer prayers for all of you. So after the Govardhan Puja and the Govardhan Parikrama was done, then Indra, who is also a very good devotee of Lord, but somehow he got little upset at why his worship was stopped. So then he became upset, and at the same time he got illusioned. For some time he forgot the position of Supreme Personality of Godhead Sri Krishna, and thereby he started creating lot of rains, because he is the in charge of that, he is the in charge of rains. So along with thunderstorm, there was tumultuous rain, there was continuous rain going on in Sri Vrindavan Dham. And then to protect the Vrajavasis, the cows and the Vrindavan Vasis, Krishna lifted Govardhan Hill. And this Govardhan Hill became the shelter of all the Vrajavasis for 7 days and 7 nights. And it was a beautiful time when devotees of all throughout the Vrindavan Dham and all the Vrajavasis, the cows and the calves and the bulls and the buffaloes, they were with Sri Krishna for 7 days and 7 nights. They were seeing Krishna continuously, and Krishna kept holding Sri Giriraj Govardhan like a big mountain. So here is very beautiful Giriraj Govardhan. You all can have a look. And in this way, Giriraj Govardhan became their shelter, and not only shelter, their friend. So this is the very beautiful Govardhan pastime. And after 7 days, Indra could understand his mistake, and he came back to his senses, and he came to Sri Krishna to beg forgiveness along with Surabhi cow, Mother Surabhi. And Krishna definitely forgave them, and Krishna blessed them, and Indra also begged mercy and forgiveness from Krishna. So this beautiful pastime happened here. Here we all can pray to Sri Giriraj Govardhan, so that we can take shelter of Sri Krishna, we can take shelter of Giriraj Govardhan. And at the same time, we can also pray to Indra, we can also pray to Surabhi, Mother Surabhi, so that we do not get puffed up with our opulences, with our different kind of qualifications, and so that we can stay very simple hearted, and we can give respect and love to all, and so that we can serve each one by following the wonderful examples of the great acharyas on our path. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Bol.
Govardhan ki
Jai.